Hi, my name's Chris, and welcome to this tutorial. You can send activities to your clients from the activity library or from a client profile. From the library, you can send activities to many clients at once. You can do so by clicking on Send, deciding whether you want to send it immediately, daily, weekly, or at a specific time. If you send it now, it will immediately show up in the mobile client app. If you send it weekly or daily, your clients will be reminded once a week or every day. If you want to send an activity at a specific time, you can click on Advanced. You then specify who you'd like to send the activity to, and when you click Send, the activity will be sent to all the clients you selected. You can send client activities from their profiles as well. Click on a client profile, go to Activities, and create your own activities or send pre-made activities from there.